Good morning, students. Today we'll study the next chapter of your EVS book, Eating Together. This is chapter 20, and in this lesson we will study on what occasions we eat and enjoy in the company of our friends and relatives. Lesson started with the class party. The school reopened today after the vacations and the children share news about how they spent their holidays. So students, they are asking with each other, and some students they are telling and that I attended the marriage of my uncle. That's why she put mehendi on her palms. And she also told that I enjoyed the wedding feast the most. I enjoy wedding feast with my cousins and other relatives and also doing everything together. So they are very excited and they are planning to enjoy a class party so that they can also have fun together. They planned a class party on Saturday as it is a half day, and every student they were asked to bring delicious food items of their choice, and they all enjoyed the party and there was so much variety of the food. They also enjoyed singing and dancing like you all in your community lunch in the school. Students, in this lesson we will study about Bihu festival. Bihu is celebrated in Assam during January, and in Hindi calendar we call it a Magh month. This is India map, and Assam is shown in the northeast direction. I have marked it with red. Student, this time on 14 January we celebrate Makar Sankranti, and in south we celebrate Pongal, and in east the festival name is Bihu. Bihu is a harvesting festival of Assam. The main crop is harvested at that time and people enjoy collecting the crop. And the main crop of Assam is rice. So see, this is the paddy crops ready to cut. Bihu is celebrated for 3 days. On the first day, they make a bela ghar like this. Bela ghar is made from bamboo and dry grass, dry leaves, thatch. See, this is Bela ghar. Bela ghar is actually a temporary night shelter used as a community feast hall made up of thatch, bamboo, straw, dry leaves, etc. It is made on Uruka, the first day of the festival. Many dishes are also made on this occasion: pita, cheva rice. In the evening, people gather at one place. The women dressed up in pat and mugha megla chadar. This is a special occasion dress, and they all dance to the drum tune, sing and dance. And food is also served in the bela ghar on banyan leaves. Everybody enjoyed the feast. This is mezi. They light the mezi and the bela ghar on second day. This is special dress they wear on this day, and this is the Bihu dance. We light up Lodi in our places, and they light up this mezi. So what we have learned in this lesson? First, we eat together and enjoy together during festival, special occasions and festivals. Bihu is a harvesting festival in Assam, harvesting of new crops celebrated in January. Uruka is the first day of this festival, the day before Bihu. Children and village people make a bela ghar out of thatch, dried grass, straw on Uruka. Bora and Cheva rice are special rice of Assam. Thanks and stay safe and do all the given assignments related to this video.